How much would you say you know about the impact of plastics bags on the environment? How is plastic pollution shaping the future of our ocean? Last year, a report for the Ellen MacArthur Foundation estimated that, by 2050, the volume of accumulated plastics in the oceans will be greater than that of fish. A shocking amount of plastic bottles cover the seafloor off Greenbagsuae Island, Taiwan. An example of how plastics become waste that can pollute our environment. A new study found that by 2050 human had produced 6.3 billion metric tons of plastic waste. Of that total waste, only 9% was recycled, 12% was incinerated, and 79% was discarded in landfills or the natural environment. According to the study's estimates, roughly 12 billion metric tons of plastic waste will end up in landfills or the natural environment by 2050. A study by National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration showed that around 100,000 marine mammals, including seals and whales, die every year from plastic pollution. Sperm whale found dead with 13 pounds of plastic in its stomach. The animal had swallowed plastic bags, bottles, flip-flops, and 115 drinking cups. An initiative announced in 2009 to make the UAE free of plastics bags by 2013 has not met its target. In fact, 50% of the camels that die in the UAE are due to ingesting of plastics. Say no to plastic, use eco-friendly bags. Cotton bags are made from 100% cotton, which are completely eco-friendly, natural and biodegradable. The surface of cotton bags are very suitable for printing. They are very good promotional bags. And if you have a cool and funky logo and color scheme, a well-designed, reusable and eco-friendly bag can become a fashion accessory for your customers, ensuring that your brand is seen wherever they go. The bags are easily cleaned when they're dirty. Just need you to wash it like your cloth and then dry it. Besides this, they are durable and reusable, generally can be used for years. Think again, stop plastic pollution. Use eco-friendly bags. Cotton, jute, canvas, juco, cassava.